about landform of Earth. This is mountain. Mountain is a highland with a pointed peak. This is glacier. Glacier is a mass of ice that form on mountain peak. This is peak. Peak is a pointed peak, part of mountain. Valley. This is valley, a low-lying area located between hills and mountains. Desert. This is desert, a dry land without vegetation. This is plain. That is, flat area on the earth's surface is called plain. This is hill. Hill is a highland but not tall as mountain. This is island. Island is a land area that surrounded by water with all sides. This is a plateau. Plateau is a flat area with steep sides and which are higher than plains. Thank you, Anna Vishwaya.